I think what's important to note with shorts with YouTube is like repurpose it. Like if you're gonna, I tell people create for YouTube first, and then repurpose it to other places. Don't create for TikTok first or Instagram first, because the payout and the community and everything else that you get with YouTube is so much better than what you have on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. But if you repurpose it, then you can still tap into that. Like even like Hank Green talked about, and other creators have gone on and like shared screen grabs. Like, this is what I make from TikTok. This is what I make from Facebook. This is what I make from YouTube. And YouTube's always the best. It's always the most. So it's kind of like, that tells you where you should invest it, but repurpose it to capitalize and continue to build those communities and get that revenue stream in addition to it.
I put them everywhere. Like if I shoot a vertical video, it's usually outside of any app. And I put it on every single platform that will take vertical video. So yes, Pinterest now does. I get like 200,000 views a month from Pinterest, and I just put up my vertical videos there.
Yeah, somebody was telling me about Pinterest. I think it was last week, and they said, "Do you have a Pinterest account?" I'm like, "Heck yeah, I got like 12 followers. I'm killing it." And it's a joke. I think it was more like 11. But they were like, "Dude, I mean, video on Pinterest is like this secret. It's like this sleeping giant." So,
and there's not a lot of people doing it right now. So I feel like you can get a lot of like views on some stuff. And I know that like Pinterest is going to be a huge part, I think, of some of the strategy because of the ability, you can link the products in, out to an affiliate site. I remember having a conversation with, I think it was Six Sister stuff. And they were saying that like a huge part of their money every month comes from Pinterest.